murigereri bwegetaseni kya Ndizi TV na bwo bwansu bwo mugusingwe gena ritkoria ondigenderete ko bari torereke gima na nene no genderete kwego kya aso gochengera omoyego yega bwe Christmas goses gukumo yego gochengera kera chitariki 25 cyomutienyi Ikomi na kabere kera omwaka gabona ne chinga chingia ekero chiaragire Chinsa Ikomi cyabona mugoroba chinga kingo kwarigana SMS Amayia erion kubanyuna nara yana kwariganire asenchera ere yobwenge ekaro twarorere na ababwatani korwase Chinsemo au litkoria lero nigo babire bawe soke na gusangiririkana ase chikanisa bunenchire yemo yokoiranira sambia mono nabo igo gochengera litkeriga bagotara litkorio koiborwa kwa Yesu Kristo ne chinga chingia ekero ngokonyorona nabo kwendera gotonyora asemere ya Facebook wetra Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube tonyora wetra Ndizi TV News nabo go tweet wetra @Ndizi TV News asemere ya Twitter boigo ase website ya itoni ora tonyora wetra www.ndizitv.or.ke erio togendra go kumanya mankeri teriane Everlyne Osero sangane nchugi komo erio Mwanche muriere ringo kwa arganto chake Amayia Chinsa Ikomi asenchira yobwenge korwase county ya Kisii awase umugavana we county ya Kisii Paul Simbarati ritkolia lero abeire kagosanga nabana bari batabote obumenye gose bamanyikante na street children ase egeti ekigosori kya Gusii stadium nenchira yemoyo kworokia obwanchani nabo igogosanga omoyego yega bwesuguku okwana chinga kyekyo harati nigatere buna samatkare bosyo niago chakwene kya buna babekire mirobere saine yokorra buna abana abo babere bakonyorwa nabo igo korendo buya asenchire bwenerete
haya kuungana pamoja kama familia ya Kikristo wale ambao si wa Kristo kusherehekea ama makumbusho ya Yesu Kristo wakati alizaliwa. Tunajua hakusaliwa leo lakini ni makumbusho ambayo yamewekwa. Kwa hivyo tunasherehekea pamoja katika sherehe ya leo. Lakini nataka niseme hivi, niko na furaha mimi mwenyewe kwa sababu mimi wako uliopita wale street families nikiwa mbunge wa Dagoretti nilitumana mbuzi na unga mkapika kule kwa kulitoa. Nakumbuka kwamba mlikuwa mnakula alafu mkatumiwa askari wa county wakawapiga. Nasema sasa mtapigwa tena.
Tigana nayo ni gomrai wense Dr. William Samoei Ruto omuruyo yerecho Ruto na baigabara ibande kurwase serikali yo bwa Kenya kwanza baikirana ase umusangiririkano wa masabo asegeti ye chigosori agya Eldoret awase gosubunenchira yemo yogo chengera litkeriga umuyega bwesuguku okwana chinga kyecho Ruto nigo ateba bunamba chikobwaterana nabarai awo iryo koenekya buna amazingira berega korendwa anene asenchira yogo smekemete asbo igate abuna inenchira yemo yokurenda obugima bwa mwanyabantu.
Tunawauliza ya kwamba wabunge wetu watasaidiana na sisi kuweka pesa ya CDF kulipa wale vijana waweze kutuzalisha miche ya miti. County wafanye sehemu yao, wale wengine wafanye sehemu yao, ndio sisi wote tuchangie kuhakikisha kwamba tuko na mazingira ambayo itatupatia mvua, itatupatia hali ambayo tunaweza kuendelea kama taifa bila ya changamoto ya mambo ya kiangazi, bila ya changamoto ya mambo ya drought, bila ya kukosa mvua, ndio tuweze kwenda mbele sote kama Wakenya. Na haya maneno hatusemi, sio maneno ya siasa. Kupanda miti ni mambo ya uhai ya wananchi, sio mambo ya siasa. Tunataka kufanya hivyo tukiwa tumeshirikiana. Vile vile tumekubaliana ya kwamba yale mambo mengine yote viongozi hawa wenu kutoka governor, senator, wabunge na MCAs nilikutana na wao juzi, tumeketi chini, tumepanga mambo yenu yote ya Uasin Gishu na tumepanga vizuri. Mambo ya barabara tumekubaliana, mambo ya maji tumekubaliana, na tumekubaliana watu pangie mambo ya dams kwa sababu bado hamuna maji ya kutosha. Mambo ya stima tumekubaliana, mambo ya soko tumekubaliana, mambo yale mengine yote, hata mambo ya title deed zenu tumekubaliana.
Nekera bonegenderete korokana na abantu nigo bagenderete korwa ensemeye mogo chiasende ryo gochenga gusanga na bamwabo umwe kusugu kweyega nigo monogerwe bunkenene Moses Wetangula aberiga kuboria abantere ba bechpara kwene kyabunanko babare maiso nanene kubwatia amachikari abwenerete ase chipara eryo gokeania gusegotanga emibasokano eyo yaberige kwene kiwa anene chinga kichemiyega buneyega.
Tunataka kuona ya kwamba katika msimu huu wa Krismasi, madereva popote walipo katika nchi ya Kenya wawe waangalifu, waendeshe magari wakijua kuna wale ambao wanatumia mabarabara ambao hawana magari. Pengine wana pikipiki, wana magari madogo kuliko yale makubwa yao, wengine wanatembea kwa miguu. Katika wakati huu tunataka kuona kila driver anatii sheria za serikali. Na hii barabara kutoka Luahaha kwenda Chwele, it's a low volume road. It is not a high density road kama ile ya kutoka Mombasa kwenda Malaba. Na wasihi wabunge wetu muhakikishe ya kwamba hizi matrela sinarudi katika super highway ya Malaba.
Waziri wa mache Alswahome nigacha kiro murobero bugusmeka emeteme county ya Murang'a bunenchira yemo yokorinda mazingira na bogogo kyania emechane yekoretwa kubwatikana nugochencha kwerire wamenigo aborire serikali chechi county kubwatirana na kwene kyabunango kunya bare ebisima bya macha sobonge erigokora omochando bwo kubura mache nigo bayigaine kirebuna abasai nigo barachikwenyorera ambaga yemeremo ase okorenda emete.
We have not had enough rainfall. And for the people who have just visited, this place is called the Kaini Dam. And I'm sure the photographers will take the photos of how the Kaini Dam water has depleted for the last 3 years. And therefore, since the people of Gatanga, since the people of Kenya, since the people of Nairobi depend on the Kaini Dam, it's the responsibility of all of us to join hands and grow and plant as many trees as possible.
Plant and not grow the tree. So wherever you plant, make sure you put in place systems sufficient to ensure that that tree being your responsibility to make sure that the tree grows. The supporting arm of that government will use and recruit 100,000 youth who we are calling Green Army. So we want to tell the youth that there is an opportunity to create employment, to be part of the employment as we do a very noble duty of restoration of the ecosystem. I'm saying 100,000 for a beginning. Youth will be recruited into Green Army by the national government through the Ministry of Environment.
Orabati igoro yoko unererwa kwa basibati asobochorio bonene bumwako yoiga wakorekana ntomutenyi o gatano na gatatu nigo rwasokire ko rwase abarai bech kanisa nabayigo ekyombege kurwania chise ichegenga rurokoro kiabuna mubaro goseko unererwa ko nigo kwa beta sekerengo ke igoro mono ekere korengani wa nobochorwa biribo gokorekana ko rwase myaka ya magega.
We did not capture violence at the household. We realized that that is one of the key recommendations. Comparing 2013 to 2017 and 2022, our data did indicate some slight decline in issues of violence.
It was a unique experience, though there have been other women's situation rooms in the past also in various countries, but this was unique because it was with the peace and mediation, the National Peace and Mediation Team.
From the report, we see recommendations on how we could do it better. But again, on the great work that women can do if given an opportunity. It is a story by its own. It's an encouragement for this nation.
County ya Kajiado nigo yaenekire ogwatika kuburoire bwa korera obwo korengana baraikuru asenseme yo batana nigo wategete akose omoibori no mwana oye abo barwete ase ensemo ya Mombasa nabona nigo baburiria abantu asenseme yo koba maiso elio buroiro bwo tibo baisa kwambokera asekeria baenekire buna kinyagetari nigo cheroberete bwekiranu elio koenekia buna abisa binde byonse birachi konyore gose birachi kororokana nigo barachie korwania oburoiro bwo.
We have a cholera outbreak. We have 2 cases which we are managing at the facility. The source is from Nairobi. It's a mother and a daughter. But I want to report for the records that they are in they are in a stable condition. Our officers are taking care of them. They have been isolated, and we are prepared to handle this outbreak. We have handled it before. We have what it takes to handle such outbreaks. We have the reagents, the medical equipment, and a lot of health education is currently being done in our sub-county and of course all over across our county. And we just want to urge members of the public that they need to observe hygiene-related issues, basic things like hand washing after visiting washrooms. The basic thing is the hygiene and the kind of diet they eat. People need to live in a clean environment. We are also keeping a trace of the contact tracing to see that the disease will not spread. But more importantly, there's no cause for alarm. The patients are in stable conditions, and we have all the reagents and all the kits that are needed for this assignment to happen.
What I can tell our people, that let us in churches, in public barazas, let us talk about cholera. Let us campaign for it because it's still at the initial stage. But if you keep silent and quiet, this is might come and affect us in long run. What I've seen and Waziri has shown me through even the medicine that they have and equipment, they are ready to do and to control and try to do whatever possible to save the people from cholera, the outbreak of cholera.
Serikali ye county ya Murang'a nigo yabwatiranire ne benki nene ya World Bank ya nagochakia omuroberio obwokobokia nagokinia oboremi bwekemerie kawa oyoreire chiringi chimilioni 53 kurengana barayikorwa senseme yo nigo baenekire gukigosira ebigwanda nene bigwanda bekawa koenekia bunanko siewere na boigo osengo siewere asenchira yo bwororo na boigo asekerengo kibwenerete.
Tunaangazia mambo ya production ya kahawa. Tunajua production saa hii on average iko chini sana, chini ya kilo 2 per tree. But then we want to move hiyo kahawa itoke kilo 2 ielekee kilo 5 hadi 10. So our target is to reach 10 kilos per tree kwa kahawa. Na upande wa efficiency ya factory pia tunafanya modernization ili tuweze kuwanunulia ecopulpers ambazo zinatumia maji chache na pia ivunjavunji zile beans za kahawa. So then that means quality ya kahawa itaenda juu ndio wakulima waweze kuweka pesa mfukoni.
Na miradi ya kahawa ya value addition tunasaidia factories kuanza kuprocess kahawa yao ndio waanze kuuza kahawa yenye imekuwa value added. Kwa hivyo tumeanza packaging kama tumeanza na kahuhia na sasa last week tumekuwa
Nekerobono ababwatani ao na boiga barayibagenderete wesokia na gusanga naba mwabo bunenjire moyo gucengera esuku nigo cyamate wetani 13 ase wodi ya mwe yotoka sebunge ya Machakos town me county ya Machakos banyorire obokonyi bwendagera kurwase abasamaria baya omoseneta o Machakos Agnes Kavindu oyora omuyego yokorekana ase kanisa ya Yemutheke AIC nigo ateba buna nigagania abantu kugendera wesokia na gokonya abamwabo anene chinga kiechiga.
Na tunashukuru Mungu sana kwa ajili ya watu ambao wanajitolea kwa kusaidia watu wetu kwa sababu kuna njaa mbaya sana. Ninajua serikali haiwezi kufika kila mahali, lakini ninaita wito kwa serikali kuu na pia kwa serikali ya county tukaweze kulisha watu wetu. Kuna eneo nyingi sana ambazo nimesikia ambao hakujanyesha. Hapa leo ni kama tumepata watu zaidi ya watu 800 na tumewapatia chakula wote, mahindi na maragwe na unga tumewapatia. Na pia nikitoka hapa tunaelekea Kivaa huko Kaewa, pia tukakutane na PWDs Wakaewa, Kivaa na Kithioko, nao tuwapatie chakula. Tunaita wito kwa ajili ya wale watu ambao Mungu amebariki wakaweze kutoa mali zao, wakatoe chakula, wakatoe fedha, ili tukaweze kulisha watu wetu wasihangaike na njaa.
Mancho murigereria inara na kwariganiretie asemesa ya Amayia ye Chinsa Ikomi asenchera yo winge korendege koragense ya mona boigo Chinsa isato ninjuko ko yaretera sore asenchera ere yo bwikiranu gendra tonyora asensemere ya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube tonyora wetra Ndizi TV News so mutandao Twitter na bogo tweet wetra @Ndizi TV News boigo ase website ito ni gora tonyore wetra www.ndizitv.or.ke erio togendre gusanga manke to bose Oscar umurobero bwemisa bogochirora asege kagetari getambe ko rubono yokoretwa asore nere Joseph Mokogoti awaseri tkorera kombanya buna nabwa tomogene ase studio gaiga oyore omoteria ase kanisa yege Catholic ya Nyansara asereta Dalma Kogembo igobono litkoria rero ndoche kwemanya mange omoterio yogose umurayo yobwe kwaya na chigotumanya mange igoro yo ichinchera chiri bakorosia matera nabo igo naki bakwe genderera buna chikwaya ono mwanchi omurigereri obwati mirobere yonsi tobasa Oscar ekeraba yongo kuganiria omogoroba oromoterero retariane Everlyne Osero.
Ndizi TV Ubwansu Gusii. Spexels Opticians abubale clinic kyagudika imeyo muchukisi nkuru wabarobo korali ao asamangana ya maiso nako ni birole magiga yogo korenga na kumanyumu chandu.
Kwa majina naitwa Daktari Sigei, karibuni sana Spexels Opticians Kisii Town. Hapa tunapima macho tukitumia mashine za kiteknolojia za kisasa bila malipo. Tunauza miwani, frames na lenses tofauti na tunakubali kadi za bima.
Chiframe guchakira chishilingi chimia isano neiseto nemeronge tano na boiga setingima ase chishilingi elweyemo ne chimia isano ase ofa babuate etaraera.
Milango yetu iko wazi kutoka Jumatatu mpaka Ijumaa kutoka saa 2:30 mpaka saa 11 jioni na pia Jumamosi kutoka saa 2:30 mpaka saa 10 jioni.
Nigo bare angene supermarket ya Shivling na KCB Bank imeyomu chukisi na boko bakiresimi ase namba enoti ya yemo enoti isano marakabire enoti eyemo. Spexels Opticians Good Car Clinic, macho bora kwa wote.